In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook using the Connected Apps option so your emails sync seamlessly with HubSpot. By the end, your Outlook messages will automatically log to your CRM, making it easier to track conversations and keep your records up to date without manual copying and pasting. First, open the Integrations area in your HubSpot account. Log in, then click the Settings gear at the top right. On the left sidebar, look for the Integrations section. From there, open the drop-down and choose Connected Apps. If you don't see this option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your admin. It's also a good idea to do this from a desktop browser and make sure you're in the correct HubSpot account, especially if you work with multiple portals. Next, connect your first app. On the Connected Apps page, click Connect Your First App. HubSpot will take you to the App Marketplace, which is the central place for all available integrations. This is where the Microsoft Outlook connector lives, along with other popular tools. Now, find your app. In the Marketplace search bar, type Microsoft Outlook. You'll also notice options like Gmail, Slack, or Zoom if you use those. Open the Microsoft Outlook listing and click Connect. On the app page, you can review a quick overview of what the integration does. Take a moment to scan the permissions so you know exactly what data will be synced between Outlook and HubSpot. A login window for Outlook will appear. Sign in with your Outlook credentials and complete any security prompts your organization requires, such as multi-factor authentication or single sign-on. Then click Allow or Authorize to grant permissions. If nothing appears, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for HubSpot temporarily. If you manage multiple mailboxes, make sure you select the correct one before confirming. And that's it. Your integration is complete. The app is now connected to HubSpot, and your email data can sync with your CRM. You can also log activities from Outlook and use this data in HubSpot to automate workflows and streamline follow-up. The first sync may take a few minutes, so give it a bit of time. To confirm everything's working, send a test email and check that it logs on the associated contact record in HubSpot. If you ever need to adjust settings or disconnect, go back to Connected Apps to manage the integration. And that's how you connect your first app in HubSpot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.